What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because you guys know what time of the month it is. It is time for our Boxycharm unboxing, and June is a Boxyluxe month, so I'm super excited. So we have a triple unboxing this month of all three boxes. We have the base box, the premium box, and of course Boxyluxe for June. I want to thank Boxycharm for partnering with me on today's video and sending me out these boxes to review for you guys. But if you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings or Boxycharm, it's basically a monthly subscription service where you get sent full-size beauty products right to your door every single month. So they have the base box, which this is $25 per month and you're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products. Then they have the premium box, which this one's $35 per month and you're guaranteed 6 full-size beauty products, sometimes 7, it kind of depends. I've gotten 6 to 7 in mine. And then they have Boxyluxe, which is a quarterly box, and that's $49.99 quarterly. So that's available in June, December, September, and March. And you're guaranteed at least 8 full-size products in that. So lots of options, lots of boxes to unbox together today. I'll have a link in the description box as always to check out Boxycharm if you are interested. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, we are going to dig into the base box. This is the little small one, little mini girl. And it looks like the theme this month is Dare to Dazzle. So we have all the products on the back here. Okay, wait, I'm realizing that there's 6 products in this box. So I'm like, is this Boxy Premium? And Boxy Premium is just coming in a smaller box? Let me look at the normal base box. This one, I thought this one would be premium because it's in the bigger box. Hang on, let's investigate this. Oh, okay, interesting. So actually, this one is the base box, the mid-sized one, because this one has 5 products, and then this one is premium. The little guy. All right, so now that we have our boxes figured out, let's check it out. All right, so we're starting with the base box, and right on top, I see this Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I love Nars, and it's definitely a bougie brand, so this is probably like almost the price of the whole box. Actually, I'll let you guys know what the MSRP is on this. Yeah, $27, so it's already more than the entire box costs. The shade that I got in this is Dolce Vita. Do a little swatch. Ooh, that is beautiful. Ooh, I love that. All right, I need to put a little on my lips right now. It's pretty similar to the color that I have on, just a little bit deeper. Wow. This is really pretty, and it's like a velvet matte kind of formula. So it gives a matte finish, but it still glides on the lips. Super pretty, I like this. Up next, we have the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So Glam Glow makes a bunch of different masks and stuff, but they have other skincare, so this is their cleanser. I actually think I've tried this one. I'm almost positive I have tried this one. Oh, actually, maybe not. The one that I've tried is in a black packaging. This one is in white, so I'll have to look up and see what the difference is. But it's a clearing cream to foam cleanser, so I'm very excited to check this out. And the MSRP on this is $32. Up next, we have a little palette. So this is from Touch and Soul. I've tried a lot of their primers from Boxycharm. This is the Glowdient palette. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, pretty little front to it. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's like a highlight palette almost. Oh, I love this. And this is so nice because it'll suit like so many different skin tones because you have light all the way to dark. Oh, this is really pretty. All right, let's do a couple. Whoa, okay, I just swatched my finger in the lightest one. Dang, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow, let's do the last one as well. So pretty. Wow, okay, this is really nice, and we get a big mirror here too. I have a lot of highlight on already, but you guys know you can never have enough. So I'll go in with a little bit more, a little topper on there just to amp it up. Woo! Very pretty. I'm super excited about this palette. It looks beautiful and is definitely right up my alley. So love that. And the value on this is $32. I think this month's box is gonna be pretty high value-wise. Okay, up next we have the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. Cool. Always down for a good lip mask, something that's nice and nourishing. So this is what it looks like. Get some out. Let's see. Put a little on my hand. I don't know if it's like tinted. Okay, no, it's just like a clear kind of lip mask. And basically it just says, this is a miracle worker that'll resurface your lips and boost hydration, leaving them super soft. So definitely I will check this out. Love the idea of like an overnight lip mask because I do always slather my lips in lip balm before I go to sleep. So I will definitely check this out and use it and the value on this is $19. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Jacka Black Hydrate Primer. So it's a little hydrating primer. I actually feel like from Boxycharm, the products that I've gotten the least are primer. I haven't got that many. I get a lot of palettes normally in mine. Let me know what you guys get frequently in yours, but I definitely get heavy palettes, but I do love those, and I get a lot of skincare too, which I also really like. But this is really cool. So it says it's a hydrating primer for the face. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. So I will definitely give this a try. I've never tried this brand, I don't think. So it says that it'll hydrate your skin and help to make your makeup last longer. And the value on this is $20. Alrighty, let's add up the value of everything. So we have $32 for the cleanser, $27 for the Nars lip pencil. That was probably my favorite product in this month's box. Then we have $34 for the Touch in Soul Glowdient palette. I don't know if I liked that or the Nars lippy the best. I liked them both. Then $19 for the lip mask, and then $20 for the hydrating primer, for a total of $132. Alrighty, so that was our base box. And now we're gonna move on to Miss Premium that I already got a little sneak peek into because I opened it. And I'm interested to see what makes the premium like in a small box. I guess all the products are small. Let's see. Alrighty, first thing I see is Marc Jacobs At Lash Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, girl, Marc Jacobs is like, that's like bougie. Like I've gotten high-end brands in my Boxycharm before, but not like designer high-end, you know what I mean? Like I've never gotten like Marc Jacobs or Givenchy Beauty or anything like that. So this is pretty cool. Oh, pretty mascara as well. I like it with the gold and black packaging. This is what it looks like. So this is supposed to be a lengthening and curling mascara that also has lash conditioner in it. And the value on this is $27. Up next, we have one of my favorites. This is so exciting. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer in the Illuminating version because they have a bunch of their Pure Canvas primers. So I love this primer. It's really nice. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin. Looks like this. So it is the full size. Laura Mercier makes really nice products. I do already own this product, so I would love to be able to give it away to one of you guys. So just comment down below what you're most looking forward to this summer. Like, is there something that you all are doing this summer that you're super looking forward to? Comment that down below, and then just a way for me to get in contact with you. And I will go ahead and just randomly pick one of you and send this out to you because I have this and it's really nice, so I would love to be able to give it away to one of you guys. And the value on this is $39. Next we have, it says Floss. Is that the name of the brand? I don't know. Hang on, let me look. So I'm like, wait, is this actually floss? Oh, okay, Floss Beauty. I was like, okay, I've never gotten like floss. I'm thinking like teeth floss in my Boxycharm, but you know, hey, I do floss my teeth, so I really use it, but this is cool. Okay, what is this? I think it's like a cheek and lip tint. I got this shade Sandals. Oh, it's like a little twisty. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, I love that. And does that not go perfectly with the Nars lippy that we got? It's like literally the same color. Do a little on my cheeks, little on my lips. You got everything covered. I have so been into cream blushes and just cream products in general recently, so I will definitely get use out of this. We might as well go in and just try a little bit on our cheeks. I do obviously have blush on already, but I prefer mostly to do these with like powder brushes like this. I just kind of go like this and then tap on the cheeks. But this looks like a very pretty shade. And the value on this is $22. And you could definitely just use your finger with this too. I just prefer to use a brush, it's easier for me. But whatever floats your boat, definitely a pretty shade though. And I will definitely get more use out of this. Okay, next we have this Skin Regimen 1.85 HA booster. So is that hyaluronic acid? Is that what HA stands for? Let's see. Oh, okay, so it says a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid to infuse the skin and lock in moisture at various levels. Okay, that is amazing. That sounds exactly like what I need. My skin can use all the moisture that it can get, so this is totally something that I will use. So I'm very excited. And one of the prescription products I was using on my face, I think hyaluronic acid, I can use with it because I'm using like a retinol. So I'm gonna check on that, but I'm really excited because I need all of the moisture that I can get. So the value of this is, oh my gosh, $115. I was gonna say, because it does have like a nice bottle, it's a glass bottle, at least it sounds like it to me. I just banged it on the desk. Sounds like it's a glass bottle. And the packaging on this does seem pretty luxe too. You got your little dropper and stuff. So as it should be for $115, but I am excited because that is high value, obviously much over the value of the box on its own. So that's pretty cool. Next we have the Zoeva Oh, liquid lipstick. Okay, cool. I love Zoeva. One of their foundations I like absolutely love. Ooh, but this liquid lippy, honey. This is very, very pretty. Nice, pretty like neutral shade. Do a little swatch. Love that. That's so, so pretty. So this is a velvet matte liquid lipstick and the value on this is $15. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, I have an eye cream from the brand I'm probably totally mispronouncing that, but love a good eye cream. This says this has quinoa and vitamin C in it. I've never seen one with quinoa, but that's super interesting. Always down to try a new eye cream and hydrate the eye area. So excited to give this a try. And oh, it's quinoa extract. Okay, that makes sense. And vitamin C, which helps to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. And the MSRP on this is $39. Alrighty, so let's go in and add up the value of everything in this box. So we have $27 for the Marc Jacobs mascara, $39 for the Laura Mercier primer, $115 for the serum, $39 for the eye cream, $15 for the Zoeva liquid lipstick, and then $22 for the cheek tint for a total of $257. Dang. So that goes to show that even though the box might be smaller, the value is not less. Definitely a high value premium box this month, despite the fact that it was smaller. We still got a good value. So that was premium. Now we're gonna dig into Boxyluxe. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Okay, right up first, we have this Ciate London, I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower? Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. This is a big palette. So it says there's 24 different eyeshadows, each named after amazing women throughout history. Wow, that's really cool. I love that. I've never like seen a palette or anything like this. Cute little packaging. Ooh. So pretty. Love this. This reminds me a lot of one of the Huda palettes, like the Huda, I think the rose gold one, like similar vibes, really, really pretty. Nice mix of both mattes and shimmers, and some of these glitters look so pretty in here too. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh, and this is so cool. Like there's so many awesome women that are featured in this palette, and then the one on the bottom here says you. How cute is that? I love it. We have like Harriet Tubman, Joan of Arc, Rosa Parks, Maya Angelou, Amelia Earhart. So many people. This is a really, really cool concept. I like this a lot. And the shadows look really pretty, so I'm very excited to play with this palette. I really, really like that. And the value on that is $45. Up next, we have the Benefit Brow Styler. So this is a product that I know and love, and I got shade 3, which is my shade in my Benefit eyebrow products. So this is actually really cool because it's dual-sided. So with this, on one side you get a brow pencil, and it's kind of like a curved brow pencil, and then the other side is a powder like this. You can run it through your brows to really adhere to your brow hair, give them a little more texture, and fill them in a little bit more. So this is a really cool product. I'm excited to see this in Boxycharm. And the value on this is $34. Then we have First Aid Beauty Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser. So this I'm very excited about. I just recently started using, they have their other one that's like a cream that turns to a foam. I don't know what it's called. I think maybe like Healthy Skin or something. But my derm actually recommended that as like a hydrating cleanser. So I started to use it. But this one I guess is like a gentle foaming cleanser. So same line, just a little bit of a different product. So I will definitely give this a try. And the value on this is $22. It says it's ultra gentle, leaving your skin soft, moisturized, never tight and dry. That's what I need. A lot of other cleansers I've used just leave my skin so dry, like it's clean, but it's so like tight, where the First Aid Beauty one that I'm using now doesn't do that. So fingers crossed for this one too. Really excited to see this in Boxycharm as well, and definitely a product that I will get use out of. Plus it's gotta be good. I feel like if my dermatologist recommended the brand, chances are it's probably pretty good. Up next we have this Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. Okay, literally love this. I don't know if it's the old lady in me or the homeowner in me, but this will totally get use. I'm gonna put this in my guest bathroom literally right now. I love a good hand wash, especially in light of the world we live in today. You know, washing our hands is so important now, and so I love like a nice luxurious one. So this will absolutely get use. The value on this is $25. Dang, so it is a bougie hand wash. Maybe I'll put it in my bathroom instead of the guest one. No, I'm just kidding, but super cute, and it says it's like pine, woodland, and rosemary scented, so I definitely like that. Up next we have the Tula Glow Hour Brightening and Neutralizing Eye Balm. This is so exciting. Tula products are so good. I feel like they're very underrated. I mean, a lot of people do talk about them, but I feel like they don't get as much hype as they deserve. Their products are really, really nice. And so this is supposed to like brighten and neutralize underneath your eyes. It's like an orange. Ooh, so it kind of comes off like that. Ooh. Feels really cooling on my hand too. Ooh, I like that. So it's almost like a light kind of concealer, hybrid, like eye product that you can put underneath your eyes to just like brighten them up, especially on like no makeup days. I feel like this would be awesome, and it has probiotics and superfoods in it. I'm pretty sure all of their products do at Tula. So this is really cool. I will totally use this. I'm very into like the no makeup look nowadays and just more low-key looks, and it'll basically help to color correct your eyes. So the value on this is $32. This is a pretty good Luxe month in my opinion. I really like these products. All right, next we have another Nars product. So that's two, one in Luxe and then one in our base box. So this time it's a blush, and oh my gosh, it's Orgasm, Nars Orgasm Blush, which is their most popular like cult favorite blush. If you guys have never tried it, y'all need to try it. So you get one of their blushes, and this is great too because it looks nice on a variety of different skin tones. It's just such a pretty blush. Like all of my friends will always ask me like, oh, what blush should I get? I'm always like, Nars Orgasm. I feel like it looks good on so many different skin types and stuff, and it's just so pretty. You guys have definitely seen me use this blush in many of my tutorials, but yeah, definitely love it, and the value on this is $30. Then we have this Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. Okay, it is all about the hyaluronic acid this month, and I am here for it. So this is like a lip serum. It kind of looks like a lip balm. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips right now, even though we have product on. I feel like this won't hurt. Ooh. It definitely feels really cooling on the lips, which is nice. Probably meant to go on your bare lips and not over a lipstick, but definitely feels nice on the lips. Ooh, oh my God. I just got a little in my mouth and it actually tastes so good. That's weird, okay. It says there's mint in it, but it doesn't taste like mint. It tastes like, I don't know, it's sweet. I don't recommend eating it, but feels nice on the lips. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, the value of this is $122. Dang, now I'm like, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have put that on my lips, like over the lip color like that. Oh my goodness gracious, $122. It says it has hyaluronic acid and lactic acid. Wow. All right, she's bougie. Gonna save this for my nighttime skincare or maybe my morning skincare because she is expensive. All right, and then last but not least, we have this little Moxie Lash bundle. So let's see what we have in here. You got like a little bag. It looks like there's a couple things in here. Okay, so you get these lashes. The ones that I got are in the style, I don't know if it says. I got the Sassy Lash. They look really pretty, and they have little tiny magnets on there. So these are like a magnetic lash. I've actually heard really good things about Moxie Lash, so I'm excited about this. And then you get, oh, this is cool. So you get pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs. So this helps to remove them. It says easy removal of Moxie Lash magnetic eyeliner, because sometimes I guess that can be a little bit harder to remove than like a typical eyeliner. And then you get the little mini liquid magnetic eyeliner. So basically the entire system, everything you need, the eyeliner, the lash, and then the remover. So that's pretty cool as well. Definitely eager to test those out because I have heard good things about that brand for magnetic lashes, because I feel like they could be hit or miss, magnetic lashes in my experience. So I'm excited to check those out and see. All right, so let's add up the value of everything for this month's box. We have $45 for the Ciate London Woman Palette, which I loved. $30 for the Nars blush, $34 for the Benefit Brow Styler, $122 for the lip balm, oh my goodness, $90, oh wow, $90 for the Moxie Lash bundle. So definitely not cheap, and it says on here that's a Boxy exclusive, so that's pretty cool. Then $22 for the First Aid Beauty cleanser, $32 for the Tula eye brightener, and then $25 for the hand wash, for a total value of $400. Wow, that may be the highest I've ever gotten for Boxyluxe. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that, but that's super high. Dang, okay, so it was a pretty good month this month. We got a lot of high value boxes. Definitely let me know down below what you guys got in your boxes and what you guys think. I would love to hear. I love to discuss that with you guys down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.